ojúmọ́ ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ káàárọ̀ mú kí gbogbo yín níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń láǹfààní láti máa gbóǹtẹ́ ní ọmọ ológo mo tún mú tuntun wá kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú Labour Party fídíò kan jáde lánàá sódẹ wípé mo wípé ó yẹ ká discuss lé lórí Lamidi Ãpâpä wọ́n interview ẹ̀ lórí Arise and àwọn channel náà post fídíò kan débi pé ó dúró nídúró pé ó lò máa expose Peter Obi pé Peter Obi is a liar ó ló pa irọ́ mọ́ òun pé ó sọ pé òun ò dá òun mọ̀ wípé ó dẹ̀ dárúkọ àwọn ibì kan tí wọ́n jọ lọ tó jẹ́ wípé ó ló head ibẹ̀ gbogbo bọ́n ṣe lọ káàkiri tán jọ jẹ́ pé wọ́n tó jọ ṣátà plane tó yẹ pé wọ́n jọ lò lọ ní aircraft tí wọ́n jọ gbé lọ but ó ní Obi ṣe kankan tó deny òun in public pé òun ò mọ́ra èmi wò wípé bógun lé ò bá já ní tòde ò lè já ní. At the same time I'm not in support of any party but tí nǹkan bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó tó di wípé ẹ dìbò yín mo ṣe nǹkan kan lórí program mi pé wọ́n sọ pé ilé yín ń jò wípé ilé yín tó ń jò yín ó lè fa sábà bíi lè fi lose on many ways because wọ́n níjà ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn ọmọ Òbí tó yẹ kí Òbí kẹ́ ẹ ṣẹ́tùlẹ̀ mo sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lórí program mi gbà yẹn kó tó di pé àwọn èèyàn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bà page mi jẹ́ mo sọ many things nípa wọn but ayé ò kì í fẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ dẹ̀ korò láyé ilé yín jò bí mo ṣe sọ fún yín ṣé 9 minutes yìí ó kù 29 ni wọ́n máa dìbò ni wọ́n máa gbé náà máa ṣe swearing fún Tinubu ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti wà ní court ẹ rí pé wọ́n sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ yín síwájú ẹ rí pé wọ́n sún kò yẹ kó jẹ́ táìmù yìí lẹ máa bá àwọn ọmọ yín jà tàbí nǹkan kan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin yín tí ẹ bá tẹ̀ ní misunderstanding tẹ bá ní ìjà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe yẹn lábẹ́lẹ̀ kò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbé yẹn wá sí public tí nǹkan bá wà láàrin bóyá ẹ fura sí Lamidi Ãpâpä èmi kàn sọ tèmi ní o bóyá nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ bóyá ẹ fura sí toró ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní olóhùn ògbó lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni ó nítorí wípé Òbí dínà òun ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nígbà mi tí yàn bá jìyà fún yàn tí o bá wá rí nírí pé bóyá mo ṣe ṣe ó lè fa ìbínú ìmí ìdẹ̀wà tó jẹ́ pé ẹlòmíì lè ti gba bribe truly kó gbowó láti fi da nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣerú nobody téèyàn máa ń trust èèyàn ò ní láti trust anybody ní ilé ayé yìí torí pé ilé ayé yìí náà láti rí ṣebí náà làwa náà ti rí lọ́dọ̀ tí wọ́n ń bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ máa ń fẹ́ da nǹkan rú máa ba nǹkan jẹ́ torí pé wọ́n ti pè wọ́n àbí wọ́n ti fún wọn ní nǹkan tàbí wọ́n ti ṣe nǹkan wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa sojú ayé bíi pé wọ́n sì ń ṣe ó ṣeéṣe kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fura sí Lamidi Ãpâpä ló jẹ́ káwọn náà máa sọ pé àwọn náà ò mọ̀ rí nǹkan ọkọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn at the same time is a thing tó yẹ pé ẹ lè settle kò nídìí pé kó wá sí ibi tó bá yẹ kẹ́ wà mọ́ ẹ lè ṣe yẹn láàrin ara yín and then pò máa expose Òbí ó máa ṣe kiri kan bí mi ò rò bó bá yẹ pé lóòtítọ́ Lamidi Ãpâpä ń ṣe Labour Party àbò wà fún wọn tó o dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ successful lórí nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ gba mandate yín I don't think maybe bóyá you can be fighting kàn máa jà ọmọ máa sọ pé kìíní kan anyways ẹnu mi kọ́lẹ̀ tí máa gbọ́ èmi kàn sọ tèmi ni I don't know mo kàn sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn generally kò sẹ́ni tí èèyàn lè trust to truly ó dẹ̀ lóhùn ògbówó but ó ní òun ògbówó lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni pé kán fún ní proof bí tó máa ti gbowó and but gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àwọn yẹn ní ó ti gbẹ̀yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́já pé kì í sí ara wọn kò kì í ṣe nǹkan kan anyway mo rí Arise TV yẹn Oseni question mẹ́ta péré ni Oseni béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣéèkì ní ọ̀nà fún gan pọ̀ pé lẹ́yìn yẹn ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ míì lórí channel ó lò máa expose Òbí ó lò máa expose nǹkan kan mo fẹ́ kí wọn náà fetí ara rẹ̀ gbọ́ kó mọ̀ jẹ́ pé mi ni mo máa sọ fetí ara rẹ̀ kó gbọ́ fídíò yẹn kí n tó wá mọ tí màá sọ lé lórí fi opinion rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ kí ni ìwọ rò pé ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ṣé kìí ṣe pé wọ́n ti àwọn ará ti bí àwọn PDAPC bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé kìí ṣe pé wọ́n ti dọ́dọ̀ yín àbí wọ́n ti so because èmi wò pé kìí sásìkò tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ máa bára yín jà ó kù 9 minutes ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ wà ní ṣọ̀kan anyways ìyẹn ò kan ayé tèmi náà so mo kàn mú ròyìn tèmi wá pé kẹ́ ẹ wo ohun tó ń lọ ni thank you but don't forget to like it and share thank you.
Answer that quickly. Well, the first question of allegation of corruption bribe taking it is not true and I've told them severally if you have an evidence to prove bring your evidence that I have collected money or we have collected money from anybody that is not it's absolutely untrue that's that
the second one Obviously, Peter will be taking side with Aburi.
You see the Aburi. I mean, Peter will be taking side. You see, I don't want to keep on exposing, but he deserves to be exposed. He deserves to be exposed. Some time ago, in one of the interviews he granted, he said he does not know me at all. I want to tell the whole world he's a liar. And let me tell you why I say he's a liar. I've been trying to cover him, but he does not deserve it. The reasons are this. One, this is a man done his primary in Asaba. I did the opening prayer. And I was not a young officer. I was the deputy national chairman of the party then. So not a junior officer. This party, I've been 21 years in this party. When this party was formed, I started with the party, and I've held a lot of positions in the party to the level I have today. So that is not true at all. I've never taken cover from anybody, and anybody who is courageous enough to say this is evidence against you, I'll be happy to see such a person. It is not true at all. What's in there? My cap is here. You can see it. It's not burned. And the boy who removed my cap, he will suffer it in his life. I saw him. No, listen. I saw him. He's a young chap. He will never grow old, like God's grace. He deserves it. You know why he deserves it? You know why? Listen. I didn't use cutlass on him. Did he not deserve it? He deserves to be cursed.
To answer more light on this question of allegation of 500, I think the people, you see, we're in this party, we know what happened. But we've been holding our peace, we don't want to talk. The people who are alleging that this faction is from APC, who make sure they cut through the chances of it on the 2023 election, they are surrounding him. We know them. But time will come that we'll start calling their name with facts and evidences. Facts and evidences. Not they are the ones just because they are very good in media, but time will come that we will start speaking. Because we deliver Oobi without one naira.
Okay, listen. There's one thing I have not explained. When I was referring to how when it's denied me. After doing the opening prayer at Asaba, his first campaign started in Benin. I was in Benin with him. And we used his aircraft from Benin back to Abuja. Charter plane. Not only that, when he came to Ekiti, Ãpâpä University, I led the team that hosted him in that campus. We were there for over 2 hours. I led the team to the palace of Eweadu Ekiti, and he doesn't know me. He's a liar. From there again, we moved from there to Ondo State. I was there. I led the team. The same thing to Osogbo. I was there. I led the team. I've been saying that he's being forgetful, but this time around, he's a liar.
Sorry, sir, can you tell us exactly your position during the campaign? Are you the director general, or maybe are you part of the campaign team? And what was your position?
Well, by hierarchy, I'm an automatic member of the campaign team. But my position in the party that time, I was the deputy national chairman of the party. Number 2, deputy national chairman of the party. And there was a time, when we were going to that question, there was a time when they alleged that the campaign that took place in Ibadan, that's my base, that I was not there. Had to be, it was the cause. I was with him in Abuja. We were to leave Abuja with his aircraft. But the airport gave us small aircraft. And if it's somebody that has value for positions and age, even if there are going to be 4, I should be one of them. I was excluded, and I was asked to join another aircraft. I joined aircraft to Akure. Before I arrived at Akure, before I get vehicle to Ibadan, it was already in the dark. So if you also refer to that, ask him again whether I was not with him in Abuja during the Ibadan rally.
Let's go back to your base in Oyo State. By how much margin did you win your polling units?
What? You asked for being winning. I don't have the percentage here, but I won at my polling unit.
How much number? So you don't remember the result?
I didn't know you. I didn't know you asked this question.
say, you are talking about the margin. I don't know the margin and I don't have it up, but I know I won at my polling unit. Okay. I'm not a small politician.
Okay, I know you're not a small politician, but there was a large support for the APC as regards the presidential election. That's why they won overwhelmingly. So if you keep claiming you're not a small politician, it is obvious that you couldn't hold your own in the state as regards the presidential election. And I have specific reasons why I ask. Because a lot of people keep going back to your legitimacy. Okay, right. And that's why I asked the question about your polling unit. What's even the number at which you won? Because people keep saying, oh, you were not prominent in the campaign and the campaign process itself. That's what a lot of people keep saying. And that's why they say you have a legitimacy question.
Okay, let me say whether I was not prominent at the campaign. This question was raised some time ago, that when Oobi was coming to Oyo State, that I was not there. I wouldn't be there because it was caused by Oobi himself. And if he's on here, I want him to see this. Now, I was in Abuja when he was coming to Oyo State, and I was at the airport with Oobi. And at that time, we were all set to go to Oyo State. The normal aircraft that we were supposed to use was a big aircraft. But the Airways Authority said that aircraft was under repairs. And it was given a very small aircraft. Now, by virtue of my position, if that aircraft will take just only 8 people, I think by virtue of my position in the party, I should be one of them. But I was dropped, and I was asked to go and look for another aircraft. I couldn't get aircraft to Ibadan. I couldn't get the one going to Lagos. I now got the one going to Akure.